Hi there, coming in for another Building Public update. But before that, I'm making these videos roughly once a month, and as much as I want to be weekly or daily, the focus for these Building Public updates is on the Goosly product, which is one of many other products and initiatives the Jexo team and myself are running. So I think a monthly update can cover all of the major happenings in the Goosly world. Speaking of major, we just launched a big upgrade to Goosly. In the prior video, I went over what improvements we plan for, and I demoed two awesome features that were at the time of a month ago still in development. Well, I'm happy to report that as of now, you can use the new column-based roadmap, which allows you to define phases for your activities. This is helpful if you don't want the constraint of time, but you can use timeline and column roadmaps together if you want to and allow your team and audience to toggle between the two. The second as significant feature launched is the radically new content editor. We removed the old clunky text editor that was placed on the side panel with a Notion-like inline editor that looks and feels a lot more intuitive and comes with a set of cool sections like image upload, checklist, and a styled notification section. I'm looking forward to see how our users put these new features to good use. There was a bit of a wait. Launching this big upgrade did took more time than expected, but I do think that the wait was worth it. Aside from the release, we decided to let Goosly have its own identity online. So we started creating social media accounts separate from Jexo so that we can share content that's more suited to Goosly target audience. And some of that content, to give you an example, we're creating some hour-long lo-fi music for focus and productivity, and they'll be posted on YouTube with some cool Goosly animation as visuals. Sticking to the content bit, last month we published 3 articles about Building Public and Goosly. I'll link them all in this video. Really good read if you plan to build open and share your experience along the way. As for growth tactics, I'm gonna be honest, things have been slow, snail pace slow. Between preparing for our large PM72 summit event in summer, dealing with Atlassian apps, and hiring, I've had little time for Goosly. The only bit I've been doing is basically mentioning Goosly in various Twitter conversations, which brings an average of 8 to 10 new users every week. But this will change coming next month as I started booking focus time on my Fridays. No meetings, no distractions, just working at least half a day for Goosly. So there's a press release coming soon to announce the Goosly product to more people, and I'm working on putting together growth hacking backlog that I'll start working on these focus days that I'm using. I've also been absent from Twitter. I barely started it and paused it, so really shame on me. But I'll get back to it and build more connections there. And that's most of the updates from April. Ups and downs, but that has always been expected given our team is 95% focused, including myself, in growing and developing our Atlassian apps. But I'm optimistic. Goosly looks in shape now, a true contender to some other options out there in the planning comms market, and a true one-of-a-kind tool for open work and building public communities. So I'll see you in the next update.